welcome back to another video. And you see by the background, guys, I'm at the river. Yeah, I'm at the river. May I go way up. We did on at the bottom right now, but may I go way up at the top. Let's see if I can take a shower up there. Let's see, guys. Like, I'm not 100% sure if I would bathe up there because the water then did have one bamboo set up something, but then have one bamboo set up with the water that run pan like pipe, but I don't know if they fix it back. So let's see, guys. So stay tuned. Remember, guys, to follow me on all social platforms. And guys, I do not have a Telegram. If you see a Telegram with my face on it, please report it, because it's not me. I'm not the one posting. I have no access to that Telegram, guys, and I've already removed it from my link tree. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for this. Come and spend the day with me at the river, guys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, when we smaller, these guys we used to climb up and jump up. I said we can climb up and but the place soon all of a sudden soon full everywhere. I said we can climb up and show you guys me climbing up this soon. Remember, we used to climb up. That's awesome. We did all along from here. We used to climb up this, and this one looks smaller now. And we can't climb up. No break. Oh, we come down now. Wait there, guys. I know say. Wait, I will come back to the camera and climb. Let's see if I can climb up to this one. One thing to do, I'm gonna drop here. I'm gonna drop. Take the time. Just slide down. So yeah, guys, I want to show you guys where I'm at. I'm on the stone. Stand up on the stone, guys. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of afraid, but fuck, what else to do now? I'm kind of afraid. My foot never tremble. Anyway, guys, may I go come down off of this stone now. You see, me I will just tell you this, when you're not picnic, enjoy on the children's age. Climb, tree, jump, everything. Because when me a picnic and I do this, we used to come up and jump. Because one pool used to there right here. So one big deep pool. And we used to jump. Whole heap of we climb up and jump. Alright, so now, right now, me a big woman, I'm afraid. I don't know if I told me what say, we broke up. But when me a picnic, I never had that thing twice to climb up here. So never think twice to climb. So enjoy when you 8, 7-year-old age. Because when you get big, things you used to do, I go terrify me. Trust me. Because I'm terrified right now. Me I come down. I'm going to see one I go. Look at that little girl. If it in the marriage, I have to drop off. I don't know. Chocolate can't drop off a tree like mango. Or you have to come pick it. Oh, the full roost. You're not going to meet them. I go and eat the chocolate. They got fearful. I see chocolate, but it look like fall sleep underneath the tree. Because I pay fall shit they are gone. Right now I can't manage that. Guys, I go see if I go walk me. Oh! Ow. I'm going like far up. Far up, guys, far up. The little guy is so pretty. Because they are crying away. Whoa! Fuck! Yeah, that's why I'm walking like water, you know, because it's stone is sliding. But when I little picnic, they used to call me Humpty Dumpty because I always drop. Go down there, somebody. It's too much. Too much. Sit in there. These people live right at the little side there. You know, once you then do the river. So this place. Rubbish bag. Rose. Sheet. One day man always have to deal with the guys. So. Okay. Anyway guys. This is where we're heading. Up. This I'm just a look. No, exactly. I know exactly where I'm going again, but me now for just navigate to see if we spot them to put my foot. That's me not broke up. No? Okay, if me drop, guys, me I tell you say the video done. I tell you guys. And I'm going to prefer that up. The river is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Gotcha. That's the video I got. Oh, where the blood? I'm going to put on here something now while I go now. Come back, cha. You come back in now. Hey guys, my foot go down in my foot slide a while ago. So I never sit me turn back, you know. Sure. Yeah, man. I didn't even look like. Today, I'm going to set you up back. I'm going to set up back in bamboo. Why they not set you up? Oh, then I can't set you because you can't. I hope you smell a ginger. Guys, I try to say I can't set up the bamboo. But the bamboo is the right thing to do. I should get the sound. Bamboo can't use. I get like one new bamboo because the bamboo there is slimy. You know, you can't use guys. So just have to just go somewhere else. So because we go down there once and I already dirty. So can really do it here. So me that work for them that set you up back. But that's not. You know, we never ever go over. I go over to I try to see up there. Never go over guys because it's fun. I go try go over. Hey guys, I am over. I go over because which family want to go, you know, stay good. So I'm going over it. Find one next nice little spot. Yeah, not stay too bad. But things really change. Remember when me and pick the guys like everywhere on the river was beautiful, spotless. You see like now they got all the right. Beautiful. No, like there's no like yeah. You can. Me not know if me have a problem. But too much bamboo there, so they don't have too much trash. You know, I don't know. Maybe I'll just go one couple feet further, guys. Couple feet further. Couple feet further. We find somewhere when I see it too bad. Yesterday, I think. Don't. Woo! That again. Guys, it's really beautiful right here. So I'm not gonna lie down still because you know maybe 3 of us or something, you know. So I'm not gonna do it. Please don't ask me how me I go down back, but I think one past the right here, so we can climb up. I mean, not have to go down back the. But I know if me can't go down back, me tell you no. Me couldn't know. Because right now, I go bail and just get out of the riverside. Yeah. See if it's time on my foot. guys, why the way the past it stay, guys? I could have video for sure, no. Nothing. The bushy and me drop about 2 times. So anyway, guys, it's the end of another video. See you guys tomorrow. I wonder if I cook some chicken back for my live, for me YouTube tomorrow, guys. I'm not sure. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye.